How to make a lot of sales with free traffic only. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can make sales without spending a single dollar on ads. I mean, we're basically talking $0. The only thing you got to spend is $29 for the Shopify plan. So without further ado, let's just get straight into how you can make money dropshipping for completely free. What's going on, guys? I'm the Ecom Boss, back again with another video. And yes, I wear the same clothes in most of my videos. Should probably change it up, but right now I don't care. Just want to push out this awesome video. Stay until the end, guys. If you have a low budget, this is gonna be the video for you. You're gonna learn everything. Like, I made 1k a day or even close to up to 2k a day just by doing free stuff. So that's what I'm gonna teach you guys to do as well in this video. Last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is Emil Arnold. Sounds like an awesome guy, been commenting a lot lately. And I noticed that, and the system I use also noticed it. So Emil, message me, my Instagram will be here. Same go for you guys if you want the coaching. It's only one spot left, and it's been such a high demand for that. I have no idea why, but you guys are awesome, and it's working out really good. So thank you all for watching. I also wanted to say that we're insanely close to 1,000 subscribers. It's been growing like crazy, and I'm really thankful. So thank you to all of you guys watching, subscribing, liking the videos. I really do appreciate you guys. And but it's deserved for the value I give you guys. So please smash the like button. Once again, subscribe, turn on the notifications, because you don't want to miss out on content we drop here. So please subscribe, and let's just get straight into it. So there will be two main platforms, or actually 3 platforms. So we will do this, and we will take your store from 0 to 1k or even more just by free traffic. So let's start with the first one, Facebook, because Facebook is going to be the most common one. It's going to be the most the easiest one. Same goes with Instagram, but we're also going to talk a little bit about TikTok. This involves influencer, and it also just involves straight up hustling. And now I'm going to tell you guys how. So the first thing, on Facebook there will be a lot of groups. By the way, talking about groups, join my free Facebook group. I answer every question for you, link down in the description. And that's when we talk about groups. You're gonna join a lot of groups. That my group's the first one you're gonna join, but don't promote there. Then if you're selling a dog product, just join a lot of dog groups and stuff like that in general, and start advertising your products in the group. Because keep in mind, the group might have an audience size of like 60,000 people. If there's a group with 60,000 people in, you can actually hit all of them, which is even better than your $10 a day Facebook ads. This is actually a really good strategy. But when you promote yourself in a group, you want to put in your link, you want to try to sell them, but instead of being like, hey guys, I just made a store, do you guys want to buy? You rather be like, hey, I've noticed this store. Yeah, I've seen an ad for this store a couple of times now, and it looks like it's a really cool product. Have any of you guys ever tried to buy something from it? I really want to know if this product is good before I buy it. Stuff like that. Just put in hints like that, messages like that about your store, and then link it, because then in most cases you will not even get a block from a group. That's exactly how you do it. You just sort of like ask people around about your page, pretending that you're not the seller, and then a lot of people will see it, they will go into your store, be interested, and will actually buy it. And this strategy definitely works, but it requires some hustle. So you're gonna go into a couple of groups and do stuff like that. That's just what's up. That's how you gotta do it. Okay guys, so to make it really simple for you guys, let's just say you were about to sell this console here and you didn't know exactly where to sell it. So what I would do in this case, I would take this one off to my store, obviously put in a decent description, stuff like that. Then we'll go to this group, which I've actually joined, and that's not because I play Fortnite, but that's because I tried to advertise with this exact strategy earlier. Okay guys, so this is what you're gonna do. You're just gonna put in the link. Have anyone tried out this product before? Really want to know before buying, just like if people had bad experience with it and stuff like that earlier, and then you just put in your link. This is obviously not a store. Wait guys, you would actually check if this is a real page. No, the domain is free. Anyways, that's exactly how you do it. You just post this in a ton of groups, and people will actually be interested. Really interesting strategy there. The only thing I can tell you guys is that it works, but it's obviously pure hustling. This will take a couple of minutes to actually get done, because you're gonna go into groups. So what I would do, day one, it's gonna be the evening before you go to bed. You'll just join as many groups as you're possibly able to do. Just join 1,000,000 groups. The second day, you want to just copy your message and paste it into 1,000,000 groups. Maybe change up the beginning a little bit, but paste it into 1,000,000 groups related to your interest. Let's just say where to be the console, or you paste it in Fortnite and Call of Duty, and just like gaming pages in general. Put all of that shit into groups, because the group's audience size is definitely underrated. It's huge. I know a lot of people that kills it with groups, so don't sleep on it. Do this strategy, but this requires a hustle. Next strategy is gonna be even more hustle, because this is where it goes down in the Instagram DMs. This is how I made some bucks to start out dropshipping. Not a lot though, but what I would do, I would sell a smoking product. I've actually done this once long time ago. So I sold this product, obviously not the exact same copy, but a similar product like this. And what I did was I put it onto my store, obviously, and created a good description, and I sold it dirt cheap, because there's no ad spent here. There's no ad spent. There's just the product cost. So what I would do, I would go to Instagram and I would type in hashtag smoking, and then with the recent post. Because if you go with the new ones, you're just gonna see bigger pages. So I would go with the recent ones, and I would send message to every normal person out here. So this man right here looks like a normal person. So what I would do if I were on phone, I'm obviously not on phone, so I can't really show you guys, because it's not possible to send a DM on a PC, I think. What do? I would open up his post, which I already have, because I'm, kind of like scrolling scrolling down. Then I would send him a message saying, hey, do you smoke? And then I would just send that to everyone down here, and I would always switch it up in the beginning of every message, because Instagram will ban you for a couple of minutes if you like spam people. So you would be like, hey, do you smoke? And then it would be, good day, do you smoke? And then it would be, hello, how are you, do you smoke? And just switch it up like that all the time. And are you into smoking? Switch it up to don't get banned. And you're just gonna hustle in the DMs. When they say yes, you're gonna say, okay, I have a product that I would like to show you, would you be interested in just taking a quick look? And then you'll show it, and then most of them will actually say yes, of course. So what you'll do, you show them the product, and then they would be like, then they would think that they actually could buy it. So if you sell it for like $15.90, then will in most cases buy it. And if not, you can give them a discount. But this is pure hustle. You guys asked for free strategy. This is exactly how painful free strategies are. So do it like that. Search for hashtag smoking, scroll down, spam the hell out of everyone just by using this strategy. It's not gonna be fun at all, but that's just how it is. The last strategy, the best one. I've talked about this in another video, but there's been so many new subscribers lately. Thank you guys, appreciate all of you, love, blah blah blah. I really do love you guys. But anyways, I've been talking about this earlier, but that was when I had like 200 subscribers, so I want to bring it up again real quick. So what you can do is to take advantage of a specific situation. This is the best ever free traffic strategy. This means cutting a percentage of a deal with the influencers of your profit. This means people that's new to fame. For example, there will be a lot of girls with like 1,000 followers, just people in like second grade, first grade, high school type of girls, just those girls that just want to be cool and stuff like that. So all of these girls, I have a couple of girls in my hometown that promotes products even though they only have 600 followers. And the thing is, they don't get a shit out of it. They can get a percentage out of the sales they make of their profit, obviously. But the thing is that these girls, they will advertise your product for free. If you just send them a message, the girls will advertise your product for free just because they think it's cool to be a influencer. I'm the coolest. I advertise other people's shit. Like, they will actually think it's cool. So if you hit up girls with like 700 followers, 600, 500, it could even be like only 300, they will think it's hella cool and they will feel special. An influencer, they would just think they're better than everyone else basically when they advertise. So take advantage of those girls because they think I'm so cool because I advertise and you don't. Take advantage of them. Just send out messages to just completely normal people and make them feel like they're cool because they're advertising, and you could cut them like 15% of every sale. That's exactly how you do it, and they will definitely do it. If you get, and the thing is, the traffic quality of a normal girl with 700 followers is higher and more valuable traffic than just a meme page with 70,000 followers. Obviously not when we're comparing numbers, but if you're comparing like each individual person inside of it, it's gonna be a lot of like all the accounts that don't pay attention to the meme page, stuff like that. But if you're like a girl with like 600, 700 followers, most people are actually like engaging or seeing what you're posting. So the thing is, if you get like 20 girls like that to post stuff for you, you most likely be making a lot of sales. And I've not tried this out, but I told a guy to try it out, and it actually works because they feel they're so damn cool. And that's basically how you guys do it. Do it like that. Like, make the girls think they're actually an influencer when they're not. Cut them a 50% deal, and then just hit them up. Keep doing like that. And this you could do with like TikTokers as well. TikTokers that's new to fame. Like, always, if you do that without targeting them, go after people that's new to fame, because people that's new to fame make a lot of stupid decisions. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys found it really valuable, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna upload a video of me taking a subscriber store from $0 to $10,000 a day. What a lucky guy. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, because you definitely don't want to miss out on this video, and that's gonna be uploaded tomorrow. We're gonna take a store from $0 to $10,000 a day.